right there on top of the moon. We could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an interesting vlog because actually I was not to vlog today, but why not? Because I've gotten the chance to do it. Let me do some vlogging because today I was supposed to go to work, but I'll not go to work because my clients cancelled their appointments to another date, so we have rescheduled. I have actually rescheduled them to another date. So yeah, I said today I'll do all the errands that I need to do because I need to do some shopping basically. Well, I mean, I'm running out of some stuff in the house because the last time I did shopping was like 2 weeks ago. So I want to step out, do some grocery shopping, and come and organize my fridge and all that. So yeah, I've just removed some clothes from the clothesline because I don't trust the weather at all. I mean, it has been raining and I can't imagine leaving these clothes outside. By the way, it has been a whole 3 days of removing clothes from the clothesline, returning them, removing them when they are not completely dry. I mean, it has been hectic for me this week. So the remaining bunch is what I have removed from the clothesline and put them here on the sitting room so that they dry up because yeah, as I said, I'm not trusting this weather. So anyway guys, let me not talk too much. Let me step out and go do my house shopping. I know most of us do this, but it's safer for the clothes to just be here than for them to be rained on, guys. Guys, look at them. My cats love escorting me. Look at her. Oh. And then there's her. Hi, Nishi. Hi, say hi. Say hi. Okay, guys. So hapo umemake mixture ya nini na nini na nini?
Carrot, mishiri,
Carrot, mishiri,
broccoli,
broccoli, cauliflower, cornflower,
the cabbage,
ehe.
and smoothies.
Oh, alafu sasa you can get them kama unazipanga in portions za how much 50 bob. Oh, that's okay. So guys, let me show you quickly what I bought from the supermarket, and trust me, the cost of living is getting higher and higher each day. So let me quickly just show you what I got. I bought this Ajab maize meal flour at 125. This is Pishori, as Pishori brand. Yes, I got it at 699 shillings for 5 kgs. I got this at 320 shillings. I got the bread at 49 bob. I got Prestige, the 1 kg margarine. It was going for 370 bob. Yeah, and then this soap was going for 60 bob each, so I got 3 of them. Then I got this Raha drinking chocolate, 3 packs. One was going for 55 bob. And then I love these Dormans coffee sachets. They were going for 6 bob each, so I got 10 of that. Of course, adding to my mala, I got this at 55 bob. I bought 5 packets. And then I wanted to get this fresher vanilla flavor yogurt, which was going for 52 bob. Yeah, I want to make my own yogurt, so I just bought this to make my own yogurt. And then now I got this at 130 shillings, which is Naivas local sugar 1 kg, 130 shillings. This was going for 179 bob. Imagine, guy, me, I found this very expensive, and I don't even know whether it was worth it, guys. But anyway, I said I'm not going to buy tomato sauce there again. I don't know how I'll buy, but I mean, that was too pricey, but it's a 1 kg tomato sauce. Then I got this at the Farmer's Choice depot, which was going for 605 shillings. It's a 1 kg which has 22 pieces inside, and I found this a very fair price because in the supermarket it's way more pricey. And then I got my beef brawn. This was 200 bob. As you can see, it's a lot inside and they are quite thick. They are not thin slices. And then now I got myself a 1 kilo of bacon, which was going for 1080, guys, but it's a lot of bacon. I mean, you can't find this in the supermarket at that price because the 750 grams, you'll get it, no, is it 750? Yeah, grams zile kidogo unapata from 700 going up. So this is a kg of bacon, guys. This is real good deal, and this will take me through for some time, so I think this is worth it. Yeah, so if you're in the vicinity of Nakuru, Nakuru, what am I saying, of Limuru, guys, if you're in the vicinity of Limuru, please pass by the Farmer's Choice depot because you get these products at a very, very fair price. So let me quickly run you through the vegetables that I got. As you can see there, this is the mixture that I got for 50 shillings, which has a bit of purple cabbage, some carrots, some cauliflower. Yeah, I think I love that. And then I got myself some mangoes. I want to make some salad using these mangoes, and they were going for 10 bob each. Then this is the part that I love the most because I mean this was a great deal. Right there we have the yellow capsicum, the red one there, and the green hoho, and the green ones were going for 10 bob each. The yellow ones were going for 10 bob each, while the red ones were going for 3 for 50. Yeah, so the next thing is these eggplants that I got 4 for 20, and I got myself for 40 shillings, and I think that is a great deal right there. Then I have my tomatoes right here. They were going for 4 for 20, and I think I love the size. Yeah, I think this will push me through. And then now I have this watermelon that was going for 70 bob. By the way, it's huge. I like it. And yeah, basically those are the items that I got in the market. Meanwhile, let me just organize this shopping and just put them in their right places, and then start off with the fridge organization. By the way, guys, as you can see, it's dark. Yeah, it's at night. When I came back from the market, I had to sort out the clothes that I showed you earlier on, and then of course make dinner and organize the kids first. So yeah, this is the time I'm finalizing on my fridge organization. So now it's time for me to clean the fridge, and the first thing is to remove everything that is inside. And definitely I have switched off the fridge because there's no way you can clean the fridge while it is still on. And now I'll be using, for the cleaning, I'll be using some warm water and some liquid detergent. For the outer part of the fridge, I'll be using this Maxell glass and aluminium cleaner because my fridge, the door outside is made of glass, so that's what I'll be using. So I'm done cleaning with the inside of the fridge. So now I want to quickly wash up these vegetables because I want them to dry, and then later on wash the fridge compartment containers.
Watching you with dark eyes every night, counting up your sins. I keep a list and checking it twice. I know where you've been, I smell the sin, and you're looking nice. You can't bury me. You don't love a night. I'm still.
So now my vegetables and fruits are clean. I just want to put them aside so that they dry up. And then I also want to run through some water. I know in the market they had washed these vegetables right here, but for the sake of hygiene, safety hygiene, I mean, I need to run some water through and then allow the water to drip off and then store them later on.
Trying to forget, I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Try not to choke, a funny joke when you say you're mine. Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind.
So there they are, so clean. So I'll just let them dry, and then meanwhile I'll be just wiping these vegetables. Because of time, I can't wait for them to completely dry, so I'll be using this tablecloth, a clean tablecloth, to wipe the vegetables up and then store them. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video so far. Thank you for clicking in, and thank you for the new subscribers, guys. I want to take this opportunity and just welcome all the new subscribers, because we are growing real fast and I'm so grateful for that. And yeah, welcome into this family. Let's continue growing this family together, and yeah, watch till the very end.
All this overthinking, the more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, pain.
guys, this is the final reveal of how I have organized this fridge. So in this compartment I have placed my bacon, my sausages and my prawn right there, and then now down below I have these two beautiful containers that I bought in Kamkunji. They have my capsicum and my eggplant right there, and then down below I have my mala, and then I've blended my tomatoes, and then I have these vegetables right there, and then I have my fruits right there, and down below I have placed my tomatoes. So guys, it is that simple for me. I mean, for that one who has a small fridge, this would work very well. I mean, there is no much to say about a small fridge. This is what it is. And for me, I think it's about the organization and the cleanliness and tidiness of a clean fridge. That is what matters to me the most. That if you can have a clean and tidy fridge, you know, that really works well for me. So anyway guys, I have to soak up this tablecloths that I've used right now, soak them up, and then I'll wash them tomorrow. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video so far. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you have, and if you're new here, welcome, and I love having new visitors. Don't forget to subscribe, and I think I have to wind up this video right here and right now.